So I have a 2014 Ford Expedition, and the other night I went to hook up to my boat trailer, and my turn signals worked, my brake lights worked, the hazard lights worked, but I had no running lights, no parking lights, and they were on in the truck, but the trailer parking lights didn't work. There was no electricity going to them, no juice going to the parking light. So if this happens to you, I'll show you where the fuse is in your fuse box. So this happens to be a 2014 Ford Expedition, and there's a fuse box right here. I figured this might help somebody else out that's pulling the hair out of your head with this. It's number 28. So if you look at your owner's manual, it'll be slot number 28, which is this 25 amp fuse right here. So I pulled that out. It's a small fuse, and it was blown. I put a new one in, and now I'm all set. I'm up and running again. All right, as you can see, you get running lights again. Man, you gotta love the easy fixes. The easy fixes, the best fixes. I'm so glad this is up and running and I'm all set. So sometimes it's these simple things. Don't go head first into your wiring. Check that fuse first if you've lost the running lights to like one of your trailers, and everything else seems to be working good. And hopefully that'll help you guys out. If you have any questions, leave a comment on the video. I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.